Welcome back to the channel Autoland. In today's video, we bring you a detailed look at the 2025 KTM, a true masterpiece from Austria that represents the perfect combination of power, style, and advanced technology. KTM, the iconic brand known for its high-performance motorcycles, has once again set new benchmarks with the 2025 model, offering an unforgettable experience for riders who demand the best from their machines. Let's start with the design, where KTM has stayed true to its aggressive and sporty styling while introducing fresh elements that make the 2025 model stand out. The bike features sharper lines, a more aerodynamic body, and updated graphics that reflect KTM's racing DNA. The LED headlamp setup with integrated daytime running lights not only enhances the look but also ensures greater visibility in all conditions. The color schemes offered in the 2025 version are bold and vibrant, appealing to young riders as well as seasoned enthusiasts who want to make a statement on the road. Moving on to the heart of the machine, the 2025 KTM is powered by a refined and powerful engine that delivers thrilling performance. The engine is designed to meet the latest emission norms without compromising on power or efficiency. Riders can expect smooth acceleration, quick throttle response, and a top-end performance that makes city rides, highway cruising, and even off-road adventures equally exciting. The advanced fuel injection system ensures better fuel efficiency, making the bike not just fast but also economical for daily use. KTM has paid special attention to the ride quality and handling of the 2025 model. The lightweight chassis combined with superior suspension setup ensures that the bike feels planted and stable at high speeds while remaining agile in traffic. Whether you're tackling sharp corners or enjoying a long straight stretch, the bike's precision handling inspires confidence. The front and rear disc brakes equipped with dual-channel ABS provide exceptional stopping power, adding an extra layer of safety in both dry and wet conditions. The 2025 KTM comes packed with technology that enhances the riding experience. The fully digital instrument cluster offers a wealth of information including speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, trip meters, and more. It also supports smartphone connectivity through KTM's dedicated app, allowing riders to access turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and ride data at their fingertips. The switchgear is of premium quality, offering easy access to all controls even with gloves on. Comfort is another area where the 2025 KTM shines. The ergonomics are designed for both sporty and comfortable riding postures, ensuring that long rides are less tiring. The seat is well cushioned, providing ample support for both the rider and the pillion. The bike also features a generous ground clearance, making it suitable for tackling uneven roads without worry. For those who love customization, KTM offers a range of official accessories for the 2025 model. From performance exhaust systems and framed sliders to luggage options and aesthetic upgrades, riders can truly make the bike their own. The attention to detail in fit and finish further highlights KTM's commitment to quality. The 2025 KTM is not just about performance and style, it also promises reliability and durability, backed by KTM's strong engineering and extensive service network. Whether you're looking for a bike for daily commutes, weekend rides, or track days, this machine is ready to deliver beyond expectations. In this video, we will also showcase the bike in action, giving you a closer look at how it performs in different riding scenarios. From city streets to open highways and challenging terrains, you'll see why the 2025 KTM is winning the hearts of motorcycle lovers across the globe. So stay tuned as we explore every detail of this Austrian marvel. If you are planning to upgrade your ride or want to experience the thrill of owning a KTM, the 2025 model is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 KTM and if you'd like us to cover any specific features or comparisons in future videos. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. I see you next video.